Hi, I'm Caitlin Rose. I'm here to talk about the design slides for the final project for our visual media class. I have chosen the ad Vans with the hashtag living off the wall. This ad campaign was based off of different stories that people can talk about and show through these pictures and their emotions that they feel when they wear the shoe Vans. I'm here to break down the ad component itself. So here's the original ad. We're going to take a closer look at the original ad. First I want to talk about the color. Color is important for the eye, to see it and to feel it and to understand exactly what color would do. And in this particular ad, Vans has chosen a black and white theme, and it correlates with all the other ad campaigns that are related to the living off the wall. But it also kept in the classic red logo off to the middle left side of the picture. As you can see, it is red and it's also faded. But in all, the black and white and the red logo completes the kind of the theme or the color of this ad. Next, I want to talk about the design. The design of this ad is consistent with the others, as in it always has a little short story who took the photo and who is the person about the main focus. It always had a crowd or a message of talking about people and the way that they correlate together in this ad. Lastly, I want to talk about the typography for this ad. This particular one has a couple different sort of typography. As you can see, the big one, the living off the wall, is a sans serif typography, and also in that short story it has a sans serif as well as drawing or creative handwriting, just a handwritten kind of design, sort of giving it its unique touch. So for the new ad, I took this picture that I found off of Unsplash. This was originally in color. I did it consistent with the black and white theme. I also kept the logo off into the middle left side as well to be faded. In addition, I kept with the script of having the typography being close to the corner and a little bit of story and documented by me myself. Just adding a little bit of that little thing, and I kept it with the typography of the sans serif. So the point of having these ads is just being consistent, consistent with the color, consistent with the crowd of the theme, and the expression of how people feel when they wear the shoes, Vans.